Alright, so we're checking out the Eachine E110 helicopter. This is a Wi-Fi helicopter. It's got some Wi-Fi FPV here in the front. Sends a video back to your phone. Comes with a controller ready to fly. I've got the 2 battery version here. Just come in a 1 battery and a 3 battery version. Brushed motors, also in the tail and in the main rotor. 720p video out of the camera. We'll see how good it is. Very basic in controls here. It does have optical flow on the bottom, so it can maintain position, but I don't know how well it'll do in this wind. It's kind of windy today, about 10 miles an hour or so. Anyway, let's get up in the air and see how it does. Alright, switch on the controller. The battery has a power button. Alright, turn that on. We'll fly line of sight first. And then that gets up and down the throttle. And now we should be connected. Okay. Alright, we'll start off from the lowest speed setting. Let's take off. There it goes. Alright, so I need more control here. The wind is pushing it. I'm going to the 3rd speed here. So you can see it's drifting off to the right. That's where the wind is pushing it. Optical flow is not working that great. Let me bring it a little closer to the ground. Let's see, over the grass perhaps. It's got to see something with contrast, and oh, it still wants to go to the right. Let's see if it's trimmed that way. Well, bring it back. Might have been trimmed a little bit that way. That's kind of odd. That would be trimmed like that out of the box. These trim buttons are very stiff. Okay, all right. Now it's going off to the right a little bit. Maybe it was trimmed a little bit off out of the box. But it does not really maintain its position. You're gonna have to kind of fly it. It's not too bad considering how windy it is. Whoa, a little too close. All right, let's go and fly it around here. Go out in the open area. Our yaw is pretty sensitive. Okay, not bad. Let's see if the let's see if I can connect with my phone here. Okay, so we're kind of looking at the ground. I think the camera angle is a little bit pushed down. The angle is adjustable, so let me adjust that. Let me bring it back and adjust this here. Oh, come back. Oh, I'm gonna have to land it here. Alright, let's see what happens when I hit the landing button. Alright, that's not too bad. Not too bad. So the camera angle is adjustable. I'm gonna have to push that all the way up. Yeah, it's a pretty narrow field of view. Let's see how it does taking off in the grass. And let's record some video. It's not the greatest quality video. Oh no, that's not good. All right, I have to go back to the picnic table. Let's try it again. Now we'll take off. Is the battery dead already? This is 3 bars. Oh, we lost connection. That's weird. Now I'm gonna turn the controller off. Turn it back on. Rebind it. There we go. Whoa. So I'm actually kind of surprised it's flying as well as it is in this wind. Alright, so now with the camera kind of pointing up, a better video. Huh, interesting. It wants to go right again. Let's bring it back. It's got that same sort of out of trim, out of the box when I first started. Let's bring it back here. Bring it up. Come on back. Now, as the wind died down, now it's really stable. Like right here, at least the wind is okay. It's not really moving around too much. Alright, so recording video again. Yeah, it's quite quite bouncy. Let's see if I can get a shot of me in here. I'll bring it down a little lower. So yeah, it's definitely not a DJI for sure. This is, you know, obviously this is a toy grade drone, toy price. That's like $100. So this is about what you should expect. Let's stop that and I'll take a photo. The wind is a little erratic now. Okay, it's kind of picking up again. I do like that the altitude hold is working fairly well. Yeah, surprisingly. Okay, now it wants to go that way. This position hold is really, it's got a mind of its own, but then I think the wind is having an effect as well. Come on back. All right, let's turn around. Let's go forward. All right, forward is faster. It's really tiny, so it's kind of easy to lose orientation, even with the gyro stabilization. And there's no manual mode in this, so you can't fly this upside down or anything like that. All right, might as well record some more video. Oh, I'm flying at line of sight. I think, you know, flying this line of sight is probably the thing for this in terms of enjoyability. Whoa. I overcorrected. It can go pretty fast. Flight time is pretty good. Yeah, so 15 minutes probably sounds about right. Definitely, I think it'll be a fun toy for someone that's maybe not a beginner, but maybe wants to learn how to fly. It's pretty simple in terms of controls, you know. Push forward on the right stick to move forward. To spin the copter around, you use the left stick. Just follow the instructions in the manual. It's pretty simple, actually. If you've flown anything like other RC stuff before, it's not that tricky at all. And you can see that the gyro stabilization really working well in this wind. Yeah. All right, let's see here. Oh, it's still drifting. Whoa. So if I turn around that way. Now it wants to go that way, okay. The wind's pushing it to the left now. Yeah, the position hold is definitely way too erratic to be counted on. It works, but then something like it looks like it's working great, but then like other times it's drifting all over the place. Still have like two bars of battery. Let's see, this is the yaw rate full stick. So Even on you know, full stick forward on speed 3, it's not super fast. A little faster downwind. So don't fly this in windy conditions because it'll just get blown away. It doesn't have enough power to fight strong winds. Like now the wind's picking up. So it's kind of coming downwind here. Yeah, I'll show you, that's good, pretty good speed downwind, and now we're going back upwind. Yeah, I mean, it looks pretty stable, you know, as long as you're not going too crazy on the controls. Whoa, why is it going so fast all of a sudden? There's no wind. Now, oh, maybe there was a little bit of wind over there. That's come back. It's really easy to lose orientation. So tiny. I think the wind is coming from that direction now. It's kind of shifting around. Let's come back this way. Yeah, it's definitely going downwind. This is downwind. Oh yeah. That wind is shifting around. Yeah, it's fun. It's actually really quiet too. Whoa. All right, let's see if I can fly it around myself here. Still recording video. That's got to be a huge file. Let's stop that. Let's start another one. And yes, so far, like, pretty good. Stop this video and stick some more photos. So this is into the sun, kind of. Here's a photo. And I'll flip it around. And another photo. So these are not going to be good quality, high quality photos at all. I'm going to fly a little further here. Just kind of FPV, kind of lower to the ground here. And we'll see how far you can get with just the video signal. There it is. Okay, so hopefully I don't lose it here. It's not too bad. Close to these trees, and it's getting more and more jerky. Yeah, as you get further away, the latency gets worse. So something to keep in mind. Let's come back here to me. So I don't think flying this FPV via the phone is going to be all that viable. I think it's going to be more for line of sight flying and just video on the side. It looks pretty smooth come like that. So if you're not too crazy on the sticks, it can fly pretty smooth. Yeah, looks pretty good. Man, this flight time is crazy. I'm trying to orbit myself here. Yeah, not bad. So I'm getting a little bit more used to how the rates are, and this is, you know, yeah, that's too close. Not bad though, overall, not bad. You know, for, what was it, 80, I think it was $85 for the 2 battery version, 80 for the one battery version. This is basically $5 extra for more batteries. Pretty quiet. And your kid can take this in the neighborhood and terrorize all the Karens in the neighborhood. Oh, no, that's the battery. That's the end of the flight. Yeah, this is going to be fun for your kids. Going to terrorize all the Karens in the neighborhood with this thing. But yeah, not bad at all. I like it. Check it out. Link in the description. Let me know if you guys have any questions. Talk to you guys later.